parent's death, long-term effect on a child, what are they?
Well, we've known for many years that parental death has increased behavior. We notice a correlation with kids who have more behavior problems and kids who have more mental illness, depression, obviously, anxiety. But more and more studies are showing that grades are affected, that kids who have lost at least one parent by the age of 15 do significantly less well in school than other kids. And there are some mitigating factors, but the overall effect is there. They also do show that sometimes the kids whose parents have passed away, it's because they had poor lifestyle, poor nutrition, unemployment, drug problems. So those kids are also being exposed to other negative influences. But yet when they hold those influences steady, they still tease out the effect that when a child has lost a parent at a young age, that it negatively affects their long-term school grades. And then what is most disheartening about that is that many studies have come out in the last few years showing that the better you do in school and the longer you stay in school, the effect will affect your bottom line of your health. You live longer, you have more job satisfaction, lower divorce rate, children with less problems. So when a kid doesn't get the education that they're capable of, it really is impairing not just their ability to earn money, but the quality of their life.
Is there any difference if you lose a parent from, like, say, an accident, 1, 2, 3, or slow death from a cancer? Is there any difference in that?
Yes. When they lose a parent through a sudden situation like that, it really creates somewhat of a traumatic stress disorder. The child has been... Traumatic stress is when you feel out of control, when something very permanently difficult to you, whether you were a victim of a crime or some other tragic event, happens suddenly to you, so there's such a feeling of loss of control that it tends to traumatize you more than, yes, if you have time over time to adapt and prepare for that loss.